All right, boys, still working on the 17 Passat. We got a little more stuff to go. We're gonna replace the dog bone mount and the lower control on bushings, as well as do four-wheel alignment afterwards. So we've done everything on top, so let's get going on the bottom. All right, first thing, let's get the wheels out.
517s. Passenger side. 517s.
Sixteens on the mat.
Pulling all the 16s first.
Once you crack it loose, just keep your finger on that 18. Should come right out. Let's get these old girls in the front here.
What size?
18.
18. Obviously this is an automatic.
Yeah.
Because this guy's in the way right here.
Alright, once you got it loose, differential, pull that front bolt out, pull down, one, pull down, two. You can see these things are just destroyed. Big cracks. Just so you remember it. When you install the bushing, you got a really tight and a really loose opening here. The tight is in the inside of the arm like that, and the arrow lines up with those two little lines right there. If you're using the special tools, T10 453, you're going to line up the A with the arrow and the lines. Very important. There we go, so we got a nice line up there. Nice even all around here.
The Jeff.
Oh yeah, this? Sad. Okay, here we go. Next one.
Popping her out.
Line up our arrow, our tight side to this side. Get our arrow in line. Spin her around.
Plus the tool's like it's been abused.
What tool?
The bottom piece.
This?
Yeah.
Every press piece I've ever seen is small like that, and I don't know why. I've never worked anywhere really official, so
Jeez.
I can't say for sure that that's the normal. All right.
Can you just picture it, dude? The sun hits a home run, looks out, his hands back out there, he's standing there. You think I'm on that on my chest? Have a heart. You don't have a heart. I do have a heart.
Okay.
$18. $18s.
Not going to tighten those all the way down just yet. These guys in the back. These are snug.
They're weighted.
You should do them on the ground, but I tighten the rear first because that's simulating it being on the ground.
Okay.
I don't have any load on anything else, so I tighten these first. That way that bushing is, the center of that bushing is perfectly vertical, not tweaked. So thank you everyone that read the manual. I really appreciate it. Maybe next time you can come by and read it to me like a bedtime story.
It's a very common.
Mark, sure enough, he showed up.
I saw him up there. Yeah, he left the lithium ion mines.
Two 16s.
216s.
Tightening all the 16s.
Bring water back here.
Passenger wheel, 5/17s. Driver side, 5/17s.
Caps on.
Passenger caps.
Earlier.
Splash shield going back on. The T45 in the rear.
Yep, couple T45s. This
Two of those. It's missing one of them.
Yeah, the middle's blown out.
There's three of them, but it's missing one. and some T25s. 8 of those. T45.